A very warm welcome to all the students, teachers, and our guests for today. We have gathered here for an enlightening session under our From Passion to Profession program. Okay, so it's a platform, it's a session where we try to help our students connect with their dreams, with meaningful careers and purposeful living. And now it's time to welcome our guest of honor, Dr. Rashmi Sharma Tyagi. She's a homeopathic doctor and a certified life coach dedicated to empowering individuals to achieve holistic well-being and personal transformation.
We get disheartened very easily these days. So, the first and foremost thing you have to learn every day is to say thank you for the day that you have completed. A career of your choice is something which is going to move you out of the stress bounded environments. It is going to make you happy. It's going to make you more and more, you can say, lively. You would be able to live your life to the fullest if, first of all, your career choice is of your own choice. Break your addictions for that then. Everybody is addicted to one or the other thing, and then you are not able to focus on what exactly you should focus on. Right? So first thing, foremost, if you want to gain self-confidence, break your addictions.
Now it's time to welcome our guest of honor, Dr. Priyanka Sharma.
How a career in textile design can blend passion, innovations and purpose. Okay, now have you ever looked at a piece of fabric?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. If you are sitting, आप लोग सब आसपास फैब्रिक के आसपास ही बैठे हुए होंगे, वो जो आपने पहना है, जो कर्ट, जो सोफास है, इन सब पे. Okay, now wondered, and have you ever wondered how it was made?
No.
Who decided color, pattern, and its feeling? Can you feel the fabric? It's the soft one or the rough one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. That's the world of textile design actually. It's where art meets technology and creativity meets industry. Okay? Today I shall tell you all about textile designing and how you can turn your creativity into an illustrious career in this field. I had worked in various departments at the time of my completion of my textile work and my tenure. I was worked as a quality assurance officer in the denim division, that is the USA brand, and work as a coordinator in the textile department, dean of the textile department, principal of the textile department, research evaluator. I had worked with the Indian craftsmen, artisans, in the Uttar Pradesh, and work exactly right now. I'm working as for the smart textile. फिर डेकोरेशन हम किस तरीके से करते हैं? Like embroidery, painting.
Ma'am, the chamkila.
Yes, like chamkila. Some is the creative aspect. You know very well about the geometrical pattern, about abstract, about floral and fauna. Okay, you can apply for government colleges and for the private colleges also. If you really want to go to the government colleges, you have to qualify NIFT exam. That is the National Institute of Fashion Technology entrance exam. And जो NIFT के branches है वो all over India में है. आपको all over India में मिलेंगी वो branches, and उसके लिए लेकिन आपको 75% aggregate 12th पे marks चाहिए, और उसके साथ साथ फिर आपको वो वाला एग्जाम क्वालिफाइड करना पड़ेगा. CUET के एग्जाम के थ्रू भी आपको एडमिशन मिलता है. ओके, प्राइवेट कॉलेजेस में आपको इसमें एग्जाम मिल जाएगा. एंड मेन जो है इसमें 3 टाइप के कोर्सेज रहते हैं. आपका डिप्लोमा होता है, PG डिप्लोमा होता है, BSc होता है 3 इयर्स का, BE डिज़ाइन इज अ 4 ईयर कोर्स, BA इज ऑल्सो ऑफ अ 3 ईयर कोर्स. एंड स्किल्स जो क्रिएटिविटी, थोड़ा सा कंप्यूटर का नॉलेज, एंड मेन थिंग इज कलर सेंस होना चाहिए आपको. Fibers can be weaved actually in the vertical and the horizontal manner, and that should be treated with some chemical material.
Yes.
So that is a part of a technical textile, and that technical textile part is done with the help of normal fabric, normal fiber, whether it is the natural fiber or the man-made fiber. Basically, it is worked with the man-made fibers. Okay.
Ma'am, I want to ask a question.
Yes.
Ma'am, in textile, anyone can do, like if someone's painting is good, so they can do partnership like that. I will do drawing and you will handle the make. I will make design and the company can be made easily.
Yeah, sure, beta, sure. Your whatever is you have created, whatever is your drawing, that should be implemented on t-shirts also, on some designing, something like in the form of embroidery, in the form of digital printing. You can start your own setup. If you have a good drawing and everything, you become an entrepreneur.
Okay, ma'am.
To start your business in near future, okay? And guys, one more thing is there in IIT. If you really want to go in the IIT for the textile engineering, you can qualify your JEE and mains, JEE mains and advanced, okay? तो IIT दिल्ली में भी आपका टेक्सटाइल इंजीनियरिंग का फील्ड है, उसमें आप पूरा मशीन्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे.
So that's it for this program. We will come up with some other guests in another session. Passion to profession.